everybody, it's Dozer Sand. I'm about to clear some land. Now you see this bush right here? This bush right here, I'm gonna just push it. And I got my flappy box mask, so order from me today. Ready, set, go. Here's a time lapse of the beginning part where I start to clear and keep a little perimeter bush. It's about an acre here that I have to clear, and there's 35 loads of dirt on it, so let's go with this old machine. Here's a quick little drive. It was hard to keep this phone sitting there on the side and videotape at the same time, but pretty cool view. Where your flappy box? And I'm just gonna push and push and push. Good land. It's dusty out here, so where your floppy box? In case anybody was wondering, this is a 1967 Cat D6B with a wide track on it. The blade on this dozer is not the best cutting edge, so it does take a little longer. This is the hill I gotta take over, and eventually I take it down. But it was like riding a bunkin' bronco on this old machine. I felt it the next day, that's for sure. Now I'm still learning this old machine. I haven't ran it nothing but maybe 4 hours, 5 hours prior to this, and I'm getting the hang of it. So eventually, after pushing and pushing, I got a nice spot cleared and lots more to go. So I ran this machine on this day maybe 4 hours. In and out on the machine every 30 minutes, and it burnt 7 gallons. That's Dozer Sand. Dozing land.